Hello, Jaguars. Let's get busy. This is Coach Foster, and we are getting right into it. It is PE January 19th or January 20th, depending on what day you have PE. We're doing the Crabwalk Cleanup and Cup Stack Hockey. And we're even going to do some creativity time if we can fit it in, which I think we will. So what we're going to do is go over our important things. Our units are kicking and striking. Kicking, you understand. Striking, of course, is when you're hitting something with something else. And we're going to be hitting a sock ball with a broom today. Standards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are all about learning to enjoy being physically active, our skills of kicking and striking today, and respecting others. Learning target, to get stronger and become a better hockey player, okay? Higher order thinking question, why do you think today's activities made you stronger and better at hockey? All right? Activities. Watch me as I demonstrate today's activities. So we're doing number 1, Crabwalk Cleanup. Number 2, Cup Stack Hockey. And number 3, Creativity Time. And we're going to play each one of these, coach or the grown-up you're with, for about 10 minutes each. Okay? You'll be stopping the video. But first, let me show you how to do Crabwalk Cleanup. So, Crabwalk Cleanup is right behind me, okay? And I'm going to show you how to play now. I've got a laundry basket and I've got 6 sock balls, which of course are just 2 socks folded up, okay, into a ball. So this is how you play. I'm going to jump over each sock ball. When I get to the end, I get in the crab walk position. And I'm going to crab walk and kick the last sock ball that was here back to the basket. When I get to the basket, I sit down, I lift up the sock ball with my feet, and I throw it in. Okay? So now, I only have 5 sock balls to jump over. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have to get back in the crab walk position, and this is the last one. So I'm going to kick it back to the basket as I'm crab walking. I'm almost there, so I'm grabbing it with my feet. I throw it in, and then you just continue to play the game like that. You'll jump over and take this one back, and then when you're out of sock balls to jump over, you're done. And then if you have time, just play again, okay? So go ahead and play this game. Pause the video now. Play this game for about 10 minutes. And then start the video again. All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you did a good job with that first activity. So now we're going to get right into Cup Stack Hockey, which is right here behind me. And I'm going to show you how to play, okay? So now, on this side, I've got two shoes, which are just marking. This is just marking where I'm supposed to shoot from. Over here, I've got 4 cups. Now, I'm trying to knock down the cups with this sock ball. Now, I'm really close for this video. You guys might want to back up a little, but it's up to you, okay? Get as close as you want. So I'm going to try to hit the first cup. I knocked it down. So I take this cup, and I put it on top of another cup, okay? And then I go back and shoot again, okay? I think I'm going to go for this one. I missed. I have to try again. I'm going to turn my broom around and see if that works better. It did. So I hit this cup. I'm going to put these on top of this one because that cup was smaller. And then I just keep going, just like I told you to do with the other game. You just keep going until you're out of cups. When you have 4 cups stacked up, you have to knock those over, and then the game is over and you just play again. Okay? So let's play this game. Pause the video and play this game for about 10 minutes. All right, how did you guys do with that game? All right, fantastic. So now, if you look behind me, I've got all the stuff that you just finished playing with. Some of the stuff was for game 1, some of it was for game 2. Now we're going to do creativity time. So how do you think you could use a broom, a laundry basket, a pair of shoes, some sock balls, some cups? How do you think you could use those in a new game? You don't have to use all the stuff, And of course, you could do a little bit, you could do one game with some of the stuff, and then you could make up a new game after that, okay? But let's take about 10 minutes and do creativity time. Show Coach Arnold or show the grown-up that you're with what kind of game you can make up with the stuff we just used. Ready? Let's do this for about 10 minutes and then start the video again. All right, guys, I hope you had a good time and you came up with some good new games on your own and had fun. So now we're going to go over today's HOTS question, which stands for Higher Order Thinking Skills question. Why do you think today's activities made you stronger and better at hockey? So those are two separate questions, really. What made you stronger and what made you better at hockey? And you can talk to Coach Arnold about that or with the grown-up you're with, and I hope you come up with some good stuff. I'll see you guys next time for Online PE.